Hello and welcome to the new Hampden County Web Portal. The following will be a brief tutorial on how to use the updated site. The site was redesigned to provide the end user a simple interface to find and view all documents pertaining to real estate transactions in Hampden County. The registry site, www.hampdendeeds.com, will now work in any browser without the need to install or download any software. A user can now visit the site and view documents online or download the documents to their desktop. These searches can be performed on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. To start, the users have two options. One, the user can click on Public Search. By doing so, it will bring up different search options that also can be found on the left-hand side under Public Search, such as Recorded Land, Plans, Land Court, Address Search, and Find My Deed. The Find My Deed search is for the average user to go on and be able to find their deed. Simply by clicking Find My Deed, it will bring up the search options to enter your last name, your first name, and the town that you live in. When you click Search Records, this will only search deeds pertaining to this last name and this first name in the town you specified. For this demonstration, we will be doing a Recorded Land search. Recorded Land search, again, can be accessed by clicking on Recorded Land on the left-hand side, but also by clicking on Public Search and Recorded Land search. Both ways bring you to the same method. By doing so, you will also see above your search form different search options for recorded land. You can search by name, by address, by book and page, by year and instrument, or by entry date. For this demonstration, we will do a search by name. For a name, we will choose Smith. At this time, we'll put an initial of J for John. We can choose different parties, such as all, grantors, or grantees. We could choose the document type. We could choose the town that it's located in. We also have the option to search all years that the registry has indexed. We can search only the current year, or we can search a 12-month index. Lastly, we can choose a date range to which the document was recorded. When we have selected the right information, we simply click Search Records. Upon doing so, we are directed to our document listings. Document listings are all the documents that pertain to our search. On top here, we have search terms. These search terms provide the search that you just submitted into the system. We have the search name of Smith with a first initial of J, the parties that we selected, the town that we selected, the doc types we selected, and the date range. At any time, you can easily modify the search by clicking Modify Search, or you can start a new search by clicking New Search. For right now, we will modify the search and enter the full name of John. We will also select the town to modify it, so we will only search for Smith John in Springfield for any date range and all parties. Now if you notice right here, it will update your search results or your search terms to search name Smith John in town of Springfield, and everything else you notice is the same, all parties, all, and a document range of all years. Again, at any time, we could click New Search to start over, or again, modify the search. Additionally, we have Quick Search options. Quick Search options allow you to change your search at the click of a button. By clicking State and Federal Liens, it would do the same exact search, but change the doc types to State and Federal Liens. If we clicked on the current year, it would change the date range to only the current year. If we clicked on Land Court, it would then take the same search terms and search the Land Court department. Recorded Land would do the same thing, but search the Plan Department. Below, we have our document listing. The document listing, again, provides all the documents that meet your search terms. At any time, we can print the entire document listing by simply clicking Print Search Results. We also can see more searches per page by going up to the top and where it says Display 10 results per page, simply clicking the down arrow, and we can update that to 20 search results per page or 30 search results per page. It is your choice. Once we have found our information through the documents, we can view more information about the documents or each document by clicking on the Document Abstract icon. The Document Abstract icon looks like a piece of paper. When you bring your mouse over it, it simply says View Document Abstract. And when you click on it, it brings up your document abstract. Document Abstract provides more information about the actual document. And if we wanted to, we could then view the document by simply clicking on the View Document image. We will do that in a few seconds. We also have the ability to go right back to our print listing, our document listing, and bring up, get back to our search results and view the document right from here. When we click the book icon either at the document abstract or at the document listing page, it brings up our document image list. Document image list then provides the ability to view the image. We can view the image online, or we can download the image to our computer. By viewing the image online, we are simply going to an online viewer that provides the document online, provides thumbnails on the side. If you need to, you can zoom in on the document or zoom out of the document. At this point, you also can print the document, and if it has readable text on it, you can actually search the document by simply typing in any text that you're looking for. 2 matches, and then it highlights your searches. If you wanted to go back, you can to your search, you can simply go by closing out this window or tab. This will bring you back to the document image list. If there are more pages to view, you also can view the pages individually. By clicking close, you are brought back to your document image list. One of the other options is to download the image. By again clicking View Document, you will see the Download the Image link, and when doing so, it will actually bring up a dialog to ask you what you would like to do with the image. Now the image is coming directly to your desktop or directly to your computer or file server, so you can store the image or email it, print it, or do what you need to do with it. By clicking Open here, you would open the default viewer for Windows. If you had a Mac, you'd be opening the default viewer for the Mac. Default viewer for the Mac is Mac Preview. The default viewer for Windows is Windows Photo Viewer. Both operating systems provide you a default way of viewing the images. You also, when clicking Download the image, instead of clicking Open, can click on Save. If you click Save directly, it will save the image to your default location, which is usually Downloads. You also have the option to click on the down arrow and do Save As. By doing so, it will ask you where you would like to save that image. You can put it on your desktop for easy access, or store it on a document server, or just in your documents. That gives an overall view on how to download the images. If you have QuickTime for some reason, we do provide instructions. QuickTime actually limits the ability for a Windows machine to view the images in a more productive manner. It actually immediately will bring it into a QuickTime plugin, but in doing so you won't be able to print the image or zoom in or zoom out on the image. To bypass this, you would simply right click on Download the image and go to Save Target As. By doing so, it will bring up the Save dialog box just like you saw before, and you can simply save the document to anywhere you would like it and view the document. That is an overall tutorial on how to use our website. Basically to search a document, to view the document, or to save the document. If you have any questions, feel free to call the office at 413-755-1722. We'd be happy to hear your comments, suggestions, and help you with any problems that you may be having. Thank you, and have a nice day.